Hey everybody, Signet here with the Bullish Bears. Just wanted to do a very quick update on this Amazon trade that we sent a call out for to close. All right, so yesterday in Amazon we took a short trade. Let me highlight the one that we want to talk about right now. It's this debit spread right here. We sent the call out to take an entry with a $1.25 debit spread. We would have copied and pasted this trade. We got in at 125. We offered out at 180. I was aiming for a 40% profit. We ended up with a 52% profit. Nothing wrong with that. When we go to offer out, we'll take a little more. There's nothing wrong with that. So the alert was based off of on Monday, Amazon ran up, stopped below this 50. So at the end of the day, we talked about it in the swing trade room. We had our plan for tomorrow. If it could gap in the overnight hours and open the next day above this 50, we would look to take it long. It did that. When it opened in the morning, it came down, tagged the 50, started making its run up. We sent out the alert, closed the trade today with the goal was a 40% profit. This ended up being 42% profit. It's all right though, nothing wrong with that. If you want to see how we would calculate this trade, but first let's just talk about closing the trade. So when we put in an order, the first thing we want to do is put in our exit, right? So suppose, just for an example, we were going to build the trade. This trade would be $1.38. We would send in the order to buy this trade, and we would automatically want to put in our sell order to exit the trade. We want typically 35 to 40% profit. You can calculate that with the calculator, and I can also show you another way on another website where we can do that as well. Right? Typically, say we got $1.38, we can multiply that by 1.4. This would be our exit price from $1.38 with 40% profit. So just like that, I was able to calculate the value from that. Now, if we took 193 and we subtracted the 138, we can see that the total value in the trade would be $55. A lot of people would want to make more than that in a trade, but you can scale up the trade just by increasing how many lots you're doing, right? Each one of these is using a single option. The one debit spread would be a 1-1 trade. And when we increase this per trade, we just call them lots, right? So one trade would be one lot, two trades would be two lots, three trades, yada, yada, yada. So we put out the order at $1.25. We closed that at $1.80. We missed our window and actually made 2% more profit on our trade. So keep your alerts nearby. Keep your phone handy when we send out these alerts on Twitter. We will be following up with our exit alerts also. But you now know that you can copy and paste the trade straight out of Twitter and right into your Thinkorswim platform. If you don't know how to copy the trade, we can go back here really quick. So this is the order that was sent out. One thing that you can do just to make life real easy is just copy the page. So you can see I have the text here copied. I can right click, copy, go into Thinkorswim. Now what you want to do when you're back in Thinkorswim is it really doesn't matter what ticker symbol you're on. So you can see, for an example here, I'm at Alcoa. It doesn't even matter. On any ticker symbol, just click, get this dialog box to pop up, and what you want is right here, paste order from the clipboard. You do that and it'll put in what you just copied. It'll change the ticker symbol for you. Everything will be loaded, and at that point you just want to unlock it to make sure that you've got the current price. Because when you copy and paste the order, you're copying the price that the order was copied at when we posted it. The market might have changed since then, and if you don't unlock the order, the market might have moved past you. At that point, you would never get filled, and then you would have just missed out on a trade opportunity, right? So after you paste the order, you just want to make sure you unlock the trade so that price can float to whatever the current price is. All right, I appreciate you watching this video, and I look forward to sending out another alert. Have a good one.